So I bought this this bathroom vanity on the internet that you had to assemble, and the idea was we were going to put a painted bathroom vanity in the master bathroom just to be a little bit different and save a little money. So I paid like $300 for this thing, and once I got it painted, there was no way I could get this thing assembled. The sides had to fit in a slot that was covered. You can see it on a close-up there. That right at the corner there, there's a slot on that door right there, and there was no way in hell those sides were going to go into that slot, which is kind of a trapezoid shape. So this cabinet vanity thing, it's going to the dump where it should have gone in the first place, and we're going to buy another one from the guy that did our cabinets and the rest of the house. The new one will cost about $900, but it'll be fully assembled and it'll fit. So lesson learned.